In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an existing notebook in OneNote. If you already have a notebook you've worked on before and just want to get back to it, the process is quick and reliable. We'll use the classic desktop layout where the File tab lives in the top left corner of the OneNote window. Think of this as your control center for managing notebooks you've used recently. Start with OneNote open on your screen. At the very top left, click the File tab. This switches you from your notes to the Backstage view, where you manage things like opening, saving, and sharing. From this view, choose Open. The Open page is designed to help you get back to your work fast without hunting through folders. Front and center, you'll see the Recent Notebooks list. This list automatically remembers notebooks you've opened before with your current OneNote app and account, whether they're stored locally on your computer or in the cloud. Take a moment to scan the names. They usually appear in the order you last accessed them, with the most recent at the top. If you've used descriptive names for your notebooks, this part is easy. Just look for the one you recognize. You might also notice locations or account indicators next to some notebook names. That simply tells you where the notebook lives, so you know what to expect when it opens, especially if it needs to sync. Now click the notebook name directly in the Recent Notebooks list. OneNote will begin opening it right away. Depending on where the notebook is stored and how large it is, you might see a brief loading or syncing indicator. That's normal. As soon as it's ready, OneNote will switch you back to your workspace with the notebook loaded, showing its sections and pages. You'll recognize the structure you left off with, sections across the side, pages within each section, and your notes exactly where you last worked. Once the notebook is open, you can continue writing, organizing, or reviewing without any extra steps. If the notebook is synced to a cloud service, give it a moment to finish updating in the background, especially if it hasn't been opened in a while. That ensures you're viewing the latest content. To recap the flow you'll use every time, open OneNote, click File at the top left, select Open, and then choose your notebook from the Recent Notebooks list. That's all it takes to jump back into your existing work quickly and confidently.